Today's project is to bang out some of these gift tags. I'm going to print them out on various colour cardboard. So we've just done the first one, and it's a hologram piece of paper on the other side. I've cut it from the rear. Hopefully it has cut through there without any issues. Take that off and have a closer look, but I think you can see that it's gone through there without any problems. I've got it set at 10% power. I was just wondering what the lowest power this laser can actually chuck out. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a little test print I think in a moment with see if we can determine what the lowest power is. But they've come out okay. Probably a bit of waste here. I'm sure if I take my time to move all of these a little bit closer, we could probably get another 4 tags on there. So yeah, that one's looking good. I'm going to take that off and see if it's cut it all out properly. Alright, well these are coming out pretty good. I've done 2 packs of the holograms. I don't know if that picks up on camera. Yeah, I'm sure it does. I've just done this orangey colour. I haven't sorted through these. I've had to poke out some of the cutouts that have been left behind with a tiny little fine point. These I haven't checked yet, but I think most of them came out. This card is thinner. What I noticed, we actually lost one of these because the air assist, I think, blew one of the pieces up in the air onto another cut line and it got cut in half. So I'm going to do another set with the air assist turned off and see if that has any visible effect on the any soot that's left on these. But these look pretty good. So yeah, we'll carry on with the other colours. We're going to do a red, green and a blue. I think we've got the green in there now, just lining it up. In fact, I'll show you that. So yeah, I'm just holding it down. We're going to update the overlay. If I can see whether I'm going to have to increase this mouse pointer size because I can't bloody see it. So we're just going to update the overlay. We're going to my arm and the camera in the way there, so we're going to update it again. There we go. So looks like we're pretty good to go there. It's all taped down. Obviously don't need to set the laser height once we've done the first one because they're all the same thickness. So yeah, let's just run that. So where are we? Start. And away we go. So I've got the air assist off this time. We'll see what difference that makes. Hopefully none will get blown out where it won't be possible this time. And yeah, we'll carry on and just check all of these. Right, okay, so actually turning off the air assist didn't make any difference. The last one I was doing, which I think was green, I think this one just blew up in the air and landed back there. And for some reason Lightburn isn't doing, top to bottom, one after the other. It's jiggling around a little bit, so it will cut out these snowflakes and then it will go back up here and it will cut that out and then it will cut. So I don't know whether there's a way of making Lightburn only start from the top, working its way down, or whether it will only ever automatically do these all seemingly random. I'm sure it's keeping the paths as short as possible. Just wonder if that can be adjusted. But what I've done is I've just pulled out the box that goes here and I've just adjusted the ventilation fan speed. I've just lowered that right down. So rather than sucking everything out instantly, you get a little swirl of smoke just under here. Not ideal, but at least it's stopped these being blown around. So yeah, just one more colour to do, the blue, and then we'll move on to something else. Right, so we've done the smaller ones, so we've now just drag these, resize them, reduce the number down, and just transferred that across just for scale. So now we've got some quite nice large tags. So we're going to do another sheet of the pink and do some other colours probably as well. Right, so they are the, I guess I'm going to call these medium size compared to the small ones, and it may even be worth doing some large ones as well. I suspect what I might do is keep a range of card colours available in stock and just let the customer select the card colour and the size, and obviously the size will determine how many they get, or we can you know, just print 2 of the larger sets up or 2 of these up, you know, keep the numbers quite high. So that's probably the way to go. 7 or 8, 9, 10 different card colours in stock, and just allow the customer to say small, medium or large. That's probably the way to go there. And we obviously need some cotton for these holes. The hole's quite small in the smaller one tag, so might just go in and edit the template and just slightly increase the hole size for those. But yeah, quite happy with those, especially the holographic ones. There's such a range of card. I've got some coming from Amazon, I think later today. I think it was a pack of 100 sheets, 10 different colours, so we'll see what sort of quality that is and go from there. You know, maybe we'll stock some of the foil card as well. It's, you know, that metallic foil, kind of like these on one side, you know, printed quite well. Did just stain around the holes, but you just wipe your finger over it and it's gone. Don't think I'd want to cover that with the blue tape because it would quite possibly lift or damage the quite fragile tag. Anyway, so yeah, happy with that. I'm getting there.